Pangarap ko na makamtan mo na. Pangarap ko na makamtan mo na.
Okay. Wow. Atong pagpakan balik be si Kuan, Ate Ara and usay nga sa cute nga baby nga lami kay Julian. So atong pagpakan si Julian ug si Ate Ara for that special number.
Ma, mag-duet rami ni Jingo. Happy birthday mo! Kanang... Ma, palihog dawata. Alam mo, gift para nimo. Unya, ako nalay basa sa among message para ni Mama. Mother, together with Father, Papa Panis, you are always supportive and a loving mother to us. You never missed any of our school activities. Sa nagtubo pa mi, sa nag-eskwela pa mi. So you guided and provided us to the best of your abilities and the best of what you can give. You respect us sa among mga decisions. You never impose on us on anything because you trusted that we made the right decisions in our lives. So with Papa Panis, you showed us the way to a peaceful and happy life. And so you are the best teacher namong mga sisters. And you taught us about the love of God, that in everything we do, we put God at the center, and everything will be all right, even in the most difficult situations in life. And you also taught us that the love of and mercy of God prevails and strengthens us. So, to you, the woman who taught us that charity begins at home, kay mo ginibalik-balik ni Mama, Loy, charity begins at home. And you taught us to love and nurture family and relationship. You always remind us to save for the rainy days. You love solitude. You love family celebrations. You are a loving mother, supportive, and a dear wife, Papa Panis. So thank you so much for all the love. We love you. Happy 80th birthday, and God bless you. From Jingle, happy birthday, Mama.
Okay, so atong pakpakan be ang Kuan, si Ma'am Jinky ug si Ate Loy for that kuan to siya. Straight from the heart message. Ilan yun ang straight from the heart kay Kuan Terry-eyed. Okay? Put si Mami Munching po, gatanaw ko. Mauro dyan yung luha ni Mami Munching for this afternoon. Okay, so dili sa nato, ato sang ipapugong imong luha Mami Munching kay. The next part of the program is the dance presentation. kini siya nga dance presentation, usa ni sa mga kinakusgan, kinagwapahan, sa liwat kayo sa mama, nga po, ala dili ko no liwat. Please welcome Ate Dana and company in their dance number. So kung naganahan mo sayaw sa likod, free to dance. Kung maibog sa sayaw, okay, so flowers, ihasag ninyo ni Mami. Okay? Dami ito gipasa pa ito si Mami, kay mo na dance hits ni Mami sa una. Sumayaw sunod. Amo sayong balik si Mami? Ah, dili na. Okay, Ate Dan, diretso na lang ka. Na imong speech ito. So, kuasa itong imong speech ito ka. Okay, so, para dire-diretso nilang ko no po, Ate Dana will give her special message to her very special lola, si Lola Monching.
Good afternoon, everyone. Ako day ang kinakusgang apo ni Lola. The one and only. Kani si Lola, wala nagpaliwat siyang ilong at taas. Kuwasa nagpaliwat siya nawong na perting gwapaha. Okay lang kay gwapa, man ko so okay. Madadara, smile. So Lola, you have given me precious childhood memories that I will cherish for a lifetime. I promise to help you cherish old age so that it becomes the best period of your life. Hanga ka sayaw. Between us, Lola, even though there is a multi-generation gap, I still look forward to hearing stories while lying on your lap and also with Lolo. You are the only person in the family who pampers me despite my tantrums and loves me even when I've been naughty. Hanga ka, uy. You are full of courage, inspiration, wisdom, and gratitude. I wish that I too can live a life with you with pride. Do you know how are you different from Mama and Papa? When I was a kid, they give me candies only when I deserve them. But you give me candies even I don't ask for it. You with you with you with Lolo played Santa Claus by giving me gifts when I was little, and you continue to do so until now. When I was a kid, you taught me how to read books. You were my yaya, and Lolo was my yayo. I always cherish those times when I was in preschool wherein we, ikaw ug si Lolo, had a never-ending bonding. Most of the time, our routine was from VDT to ICM. Mga on jumig choking kanunay. Thank you very much for all the love and care. Y- You know what makes me smile? Not just smile, but laugh. Kay. Again, when I was a kid, you taught me to read books, but now I taught you how to use Facebook. As in, si Lola always active not just on Facebook but also in YouTube. Mag-Twitter pag ano siya sa na, and then, natay time na nag-post ko og video sa YouTube, niya natinga sa ilang tanan, og ano, na-share ni Lola sa Facebook, nalupigan sila ni Lola, kini sila kamao. And then lastly, I would change a lot of things if I had a chance to rewind my life back to my childhood, except one, the times I spent with you. Ala ko i-share. Ni Domig, Hong Kong, Ocean Park, bitaw. O niya, nanakay ni cable car. And then, murag, hapit nito siya mo gabi. And then, kanang ngit-ngit mo to siya kaayo kay hapit nito siya mo gabi. Murag, alas 5 naman siguro to niya. Naglinya me, so dugay, so mga alas 6 na to, may nakasakay sa cable car. And then, isakay na. Yan na. Ay, si Lola, amo gipiling sa entrance dapit sa Ocean Park kay di siya uban kay layo bitaw ang cable car nya makapoy siya og lakaw then mag-train pa and then isakay mi og cable car and then natoy time na niabot ni sa tungod ni Lola sa ubos bitaw ni syagit ko og la hintupak siya nako isyagit mo siya og dali na mo gabi na ako na orient ato and happy 80th birthday, Mama Lola. Wishing you good health, long life, and happiness. God bless you. I love you.
Wow! Thank you very much, Ati Dana. Grabe, oy. Malupigan masata ni Lola Munching aning kuan. May pa ka Lola Munching kay boka mo gamit og Twitter. Kita kisa may ka-age ni Lola Binga kay pa mo Facebook ani. Raise your hands. So, ikaw jud ang Rayna karon Lola Munching, Mami Munching. Kay si Mami Munching og Facebook and Twitter. Well, anyways, the next part of our program is a song number. Mo kanta si Sir Buboy.
Okay, before ko mo kanta, mo wish ako ni Mama, no? Ang ako lang wish ni mo mga good health, more blessing, and thank you so much for everything. Pagkantahon man ko ni nila, mo kanta jud ko kay bahalag yabag. Kani nga akong kantahon yo, dungog na kana ba? Wala. Si Dana mo ay nagpractice anay. Take me home. This man the well to keep on. No one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do. I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me out when I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen. Can't leave you go. You know that this can't have a show. You break this heart and tear it apart. Then suddenly the madness starts. Since your smile, your face, your lips that I miss, the sweet delights that stare at me and make me sing. I'm with you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness in me. It changes everything you see when I know I've got you with me. You push me up, and I'm about to give up. You're on my side when no one seems to listen.